We're still digesting a decision from an FDA advisory panel rejecting Pfizer's request for a booster shot for all Americans against COVID. The decision came late this afternoon after hours of deliberation, and while the FDA is not obligated to follow the panel's advice, it often does. The panel did approve booster shots for people aged 65 and over and those with compromised immune systems. So, what does this mean for you? Why are the Pfizer booster shots okay for some people now, but not for others? And when will the booster shots actually be available? 10 at your side's Brett Hall joins us now with what we've learned today. Brett?
Well, Tom, for those who will be eligible for the Pfizer booster shot, they still have to wait because there are several more hurdles to clear before it's allowed to go into arms. And the panel, their concerns surrounded about, well, not really having enough information yet.
No third dose of the Pfizer vaccine is needed for all adult Americans.
I don't think a booster dose is going to significantly contribute to controlling the pandemic.
The doctors on the FDA advisory panel making that decision this afternoon saying current data provided by Israeli researchers didn't show that the third dose would yet benefit younger people as much as those 65 years old or immunocompromised. Dr. Param Jabari, acting director of both Norfolk and Portsmouth Health Departments, say that doesn't mean the third dose is unsafe.
Generally, in public health, an additional dose of a vaccine rarely causes harm, but there were some concerns about, do we have enough data to actually prove that?
Instead, he takes the panel's action as a further endorsement of the current vaccine.
She said, if you think of it like a battery, over time the juice starts running out. Doesn't mean the battery didn't work. Didn't mean it didn't, do its job. And so we give it another booster.
Still, he ultimately believes booster doses will be approved, not for just Pfizer, but also for Moderna and Johnson & Johnson.
We have been planning for potential need of booster doses in the Tidewater and the rest of the Commonwealth.
He says when that time comes, for all age groups, expect to see the mass vaccination clinics again, and for the request for all to come roll up their sleeves.
And when will those 65 and older be able to get their shot? Well, many are coming up on that 6-month mark. And the FDA panel recommended 6 months between the second dose and the third. Well, according to the Virginia Department of Health, they could start going into arms as soon as next weekend if the CDC also signs off. We're live in the newsroom tonight. Brett Hall, 10 on your side.